What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some exciting news for you. We've got the KLX110 Big Wheel finished up. We're going to drag race this thing against the Honda and see which one's faster. Let's get into the video. Oh, Alex.
Yeah.
Did you just stall a semi-auto bike?
It keeps stalling out.
It's a Honda. That's EFI. It's fine.
It keeps stalling out. I don't know what is happening.
China problems.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm scared to drive to the fucking...
Is it out of gas?
No. Bill, did you just stall a semi-automatic Honda? I don't know what it's doing. China land.
Round 1. Round 2.
Dead even.
Yeah, you pulled him a little bit on the first, but the second one, you guys are dead nuts.
They're so even. This thing, it died on me again. You're gonna have that. The fuel light's coming on, but it's full of gas. We'll figure it out.
Maybe it's the same thing as the Italian, it needs a fuel pump.
Oh man, carbureted stuff. It's high idle.
Needs a carb adjustment. Okay, we raced them, but you didn't see it. So what's your prediction? Who won? Who do you think won?
Probably the Honda.
Think the Honda?
They're like dead even.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're dead even.
It all depends on who started first.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's bring them over there. We'll take some pictures side by side and everybody can check them out. Just do the shake.
Did we preview this thing on our Instagram? Did we make any content about it?
Sorta.
A little teaser?
Not too much. 2022 KLX110R. So guys, we're gonna do the L model next, but for right now, kits are ready for this bike. And we like it. It's just like the Honda kit. It's honestly, most of the parts are the same. We just had to redo the swing arm, basically tweak some offsets, make a new jack shaft in the front. This one's actually cool. Had an extra bolt for the cover, more than the Honda. So she's actually a little bit more rigid than the Honda one. Different brake pedal. The master cylinder mount's different. Couple spacers and triples were completely different. Steering stem. But other than that, everything's pretty much the same as the Honda kit. Real happy with how it turned out. So if If you guys want to order these, check out bbcbigwheels.com. We're actually going to do an intro sale on the KLX110 kits. Shoot us an email, bbcracing@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. Yeah, bbcbigwheels.com. I'm going to do a discount code on this video. You guys can enter that code on the website and save an extra 10%. So you like it?
I feel like it has more torque. I like this thing. This thing, I like it better than that thing, to be honest.
The poor Honda.
Maybe it would have started.
Yeah. So our discount code is going to be KLX10 for 10% off. So KLX10 for 10% off on this kit. Intro sale. Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. It seems like it feels torqueier than the Honda.
But in a race, they're pretty much dead even.
Yeah.
Like he was saying, whoever revs it higher, it just slightly pulls.
Yeah.
Man, she looks good. I'm liking it, man. Liking it. Jack shaft was a little hard to figure out on this one, but it's very similar to the Honda design. Just actually a little beefier. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Head over to bbcbigwheels.com. Check out these kits. Put them on the website right now. Excited to see how many of you guys pick up these Cali kits, because we sure have been selling a lot of 110 kits for the Hondas, and I really appreciate your guys' support. It's fun building these. If you guys want to see more bikes with big wheel kits, maybe like a 125 or a 150, let me know. We might do those next. See you guys in the next video.